At least 3 people have died and around 50 others have been injured in a stampede that occurred near Sri Gundicha temple in Odisha's Puri early morning. According to the Puri district collector Siddharth S. Swain, the incident took place around 4 a.m. when hundreds of devotees had gathered near the temple to witness the Rath Yatra festivities. Now, officials stated that chaos broke out after 2 trucks reportedly carrying materials for rituals entered the crowded area near the chariots of Lord Jagannath and his sibling deities. Now, the injured were admitted to a nearby hospital, with 6 individuals being in critical condition. The deceased have been identified and their bodies have already been sent for post-mortem examination. Further investigation is currently underway. Meanwhile, Odisha Law Minister Prithviraj Harichandan informed Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi about the incident. We have some reactions and also a ground report for you. Let's take a look.
एग्जिट नहीं था ना, एग्जिट नहीं था। एंट्रेंस जिस रास्ते से लोग जाते थे वही रास्ते से लोग निकल के आते थे, क्योंकि एग्जिट जहाँ था वहीं पर उन्होंने वीआईपी के लिए व्यवस्था बनाया था। इसके बदले से लोग ज़्यादा दूर चल के एग्जिट करने के बदले वही रास्ते से और महाप्रभु के दर्शन के लिए लोग आते नहीं लोग। और एक भी पुलिस भी रात में नहीं था, एक भी प्रशासन का अधिकारी रात में कोई भी नहीं थे। सब वीआईपी का सेवा करके जो उनको वीआईपी के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए उनके रास्ते में खड़े थे, जिसके वजह से रथ के सामने ये दुर्घटना घटी।
पुलिस वाला सुरक्षित किसी नाला, प्रशासन सुरक्षित किसी नाला, आम्बुलांस भी नाला। घंटे काल डाकिलु, पुलिस दौड़ी पड़ेगा, आमको साहाଯ୍य कलेनी, कोऑपरेशन कलेनी, सबटा टेकिक आइलेनी। किसी जदि आम्बुलांस था मो स्त्री बंची जाता, कौन सी सुरक्षित नाला। आज्ञा
पेशेंट जो मैंने आहत थे बर्तमान स्टेबल अच्छा आमर 3टी मृत्यु बर्तमान कन्फर्म होकर पोस्टमार्टम प्रक्रिया चलती। डिप्लॉयमेंट कौन प्रकार कमी ना आमर मंदिर पाखे
The people over here fell down, and we can see there is shoes and there is lots of shoes just lying over this area, and also the 3 people already died after this incident due to the stampede like situation, and also 50 people were injured in this incident. And what we have learned from the sources as well, that 7 to 10 people were critically injured in this incident and were being treated right now inside the Puri hospital. But right now the situation is under control, as the police is trying to controlling the situation over here in Puri, and in front of the Rath, as we can see that there is 3 Rath. One is of Lord Jagannath, and after Subhadra, and after that Lord Balabhadra. That's why people over here, the lakhs of devotees are coming over here to have darshan once and to pray before the goddess. So right now the situation is under control, but the untoward incident unfolded where 3 people being killed as the stampede-like situation happened in Puri today morning. With camera person Lisan Lodh, Anirban Sinha Roy for India Today, Puri.